I'm now going to show you how to make a helicopter. For this you need 2 modelling balloons and leave 5 fingers uninflated on both balloons. So you take one of the balloons and you're going to do a 2-finger bubble and give it an ear twist. Followed by another 2-finger bubble and give that one an ear twist. You're then going to do a 4-finger bubble followed by a 2-finger bubble and give that an ear twist. Then going to do a 5-finger loop and lock twist. Then going to take the rest of the balloon and just squeeze off any that's uninflated, push it through the loop like so. Now what you can now do is bring the balloon down like so and pop it like I did with the love heart. Then going to take the other balloon, do a 5-finger bubble and, well, a loop, do another 5-finger loop, lock twist it like so, and then do one more, and it's going to look very much like a 3-petal flower, like so. I'm now going to do a 3-finger bubble, and I'm going to lock twist it with the 2 ear twists here. Wrap it around a few times and then get rid of part of the bubble I don't need, and then secure the knot, the part of the balloon that would go like that without, because obviously I've just broken it off, so I need to wrap it around several times. And there you have a helicopter. Thank you for watching.